Good morning, student. Here I am Dr. Kshatriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Agriculture, Extension, Education and Communication. So, welcome in my YouTube channel, that is Dr. Kshatriya Amita. So, today we are going to discuss under the course number, that is Ele-extn-244, credit 2+1, that is 3, course title Agricultural Journalism, and topic we are going to discuss today, that is editorial mechanics. In that, what is meant by editing, copy editing, proofreading, and difference in between copy editing and proofreading. So let's start our today's topic. So what is editing? So editing is nothing but it is action of verifying and correcting the information in a publication or broadcast before it is going to be released to the public. So what is editing? It is action. It is action of verifying and correcting the information. So whatever information you are going to be give to the public, before that you are going to be correct whatever the any correction in the particular content. You should verify data. Okay, so it will be reach up to the people in the form of correct information. Okay, so if you want to write a new story, if you want to write a magazine story, success story, if you want to radio script for the radio talk, okay, before release on the radio talk at the form of broadcasting, or television program on the television, okay, so we are called as a telecasting. Okay, so anything, anywhere if you want to publish your material, so you should verify and correct that information. Okay, so that is editing. That is nothing but it is a verifying and correcting your data before going to be released to the public. Okay, so it is again practice that include the creative skills, human relation, and precise set of methods. Okay, so there is a different kind of these methods are used, different kind of the steps are used for the editing. So we are going to discuss later on. Then the next is what is actually copy editing. So we already discussed what is editing. It is verifying and correction the data. So what is copy editing? It is nothing but, so whatever the piece of writing is there, so whatever your news story is there, it is accurate, it is clear and correct. That is your editing. It is the step that gets a text ready to publish. Okay, so that is the copy editing. So again, what is actually copy editing? It is ARMS. ARMS. What is it? ARMS. ARMS. So what is meant by this ARMS? So A is what? Add. So you should add any word, any sentence, or any grammatical things wherever it is needed. Okay, so if it is spelling correction is there, so you should R means remove. You should remove it and add another corrected spelling of that particular word or sentence. Then you should move any word from one place to another place. You can move it, and you can replace that word by using the another word, corrected word. So that is copy editing. Nothing but you should add wherever necessary word, sentence is there. Okay, remove unwanted part from that particular content, move one sentence to or one word to another word, substitute. You can replace that particular word. Okay, that is a substitute. Substitute means what? You can replace any word, okay, from that particular sentence, or any unwanted part you can replace, and you can put another word or another sentence, another paragraph there. That is a copy editing. Okay, so next we are going to discuss proofreading. So what is a proofreading? Proofreading is nothing but it is the process of finding and fixing. What is a proofreading? It is a finding and fixing spelling, grammar, punctuation, formatting mistakes. That is your proofreading. So what is the proofreading? So if any spelling mistakes are there, any grammatical mistakes are there, punctuation. What is the punctuation? If it is necessary, full stop is if your sentence is complete, so you should give this full stop there. Okay, if any question is there, suppose what is your name, so you should give the question mark at the end of your particular sentence. So whatever the symbol like full stop, question mark, okay, comma, apostrophe, all these things are come under punctuations. Okay, and formatting mistakes, if any mistakes are there, you should format that particular, you should correct that particular mistakes. So that is your proofreading. Okay, spelling, fixing spelling, finding and fixing spelling, grammar, punctuation and formatting mistakes. So it is a final step in the writing and editing process. Proofreading is a final step in the writing and editing process. Okay, so what is so for that particular editing the sentence, whatever the words in the given content, if you are writing the news story, so if you want to edit that particular news story before publishing in the newspaper, so you are using some proofreading symbols. So what is that proofreading symbols? So it is the time saving device used to correct misspelling, punctuation errors and formatting issues. Okay, so I already told you in a punctuation, so full stop, whatever it is, full stop is there, question mark is there, again if in space is remaining in the any word. Okay, all these things come under the proofreading symbols. We are going to discuss later on in detail what is actually proofreading symbols. So it's nothing but is a time saving device used to correct misspelling, punctuation error and formatting issues. Okay, we are going to done that particular editing in the margin of given that particular paper. Okay, then what is a rereading proof? Rereading proof, it is nothing but you will want to read a proof again after correction have been made. So you are already done the correction, after that you should read that particular proof again. That is your proofreading, sorry, rereading proof. Okay, so errors are sometimes not corrected even though they have been called the printer's attention. Okay, we are done the correction in the particular your news story, but again if you are going to read that material or that particular story, so again correction will be there. So that is your rereading proof. Okay, so this is about the editing, copy editing and proofreading. If you didn't if you don't understand anything, you can ask me in the comment box about this particular concept. Then again under this proofreading, I will told you in short how you are going to keep in mind proofreading. So cup, I already told you what is the capitalization. Capital means any word is a lower case, you should make it that capital. So first letter of any sentence should be capital. So capitalization is there. C for capitalization, U for usages, P for punctuation, is for spelling. Usage means whatever the sentence, the verb, you should write a verb first, phrases, whatever it may be. So that is a subject, verb, like that sentences are there. You should make in perfect in this particular proofreading. Punctuation, I already told you. Spelling, I already told you. So you should keep in mind cups. So arms means copyediting and cups means proofreading. So you should keep in mind for the your easy understanding. Then what is the difference between proofreading and copy editing? Okay, so we are going to discuss. So copy editing or editing is what overall quality of your writing is improved in the copy editing, and proofreading, spelling, grammar, typing mistakes should be eliminated. Okay, then the second one, language is enhanced in the editing. Okay, but in proofreading, what consistent language and formatting means you are going to make the correction in the proofreading. Then editing, expressions should be clearer. Here means you are writing the expressions clear in the copy editing, and proofreading is the perfect already good writing means already good is there, but you are making the perfect that particular copy. Okay, that is a proofreading. Errors and inconsistencies should be removed in the copy editing. Ensure a publication ready document. In proof, it is a final stage of your editing, proofreading. So whatever the that particular document is there, it should be make like that, so it should be ready for the printing. Then again copy editing, your writing will have maximum impact. Okay, in the copy, so whatever you are written in the particular, that your content should be the having the maximum impact. Okay, then it is a cheaper than editing. This proofreading is a cheaper, so you are just making the using the symbols and making the correction. Okay, so this is the difference. So in today's class we are going to stop here. Okay, thank you.